Cough.
Okay.
Hi to everyone. Hi sir, very good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah. Today I'm going to elaborate about AWS and its services. Basically, AWS is a widely used cloud platform. It offers to store the data on the databases and files, and moreover, it works as a rental base, and some sources will be given by free also. Coming to how it's work, it's have a virtualization, computer storage, and database and networking. Coming to
Go up,
virtualization,
go up.
virtualization allows in a multiple virtual machines, and it runs on a
Can you go up?
single.
Can you go up?
Huh?
Go up in your slide.
Yeah.
Just give me a second. Yeah, go ahead.
Can I can I can I continue?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, coming to computers, computer services like an
So,
EC2,
Agi, you don't need to hurry much. Okay. Try to go as much as deep you can go. Okay. And
yeah,
try to give more details or information. Like virtualization, you can tell a lot of things than what you have here, right?
okay,
Try to tell. In case you know, try to about that thing.
okay, okay. Coming to storage offers an S3 bucket. We are using inside the AWS. It is an S3 bucket. We can store the files. It can access public and private. We will give the public. Will share into that URL. Everyone will be access entire the world. Coming to a database, it is used to the database service. It's a database to store the data about the user, to log in the details. Networking means virtual private cloud, and also using Route 53. Basically, Route 53 used for DNS, domain name services. Domain name service, YouTube is a run by one IP address, not only YouTube. Using Route 53, that IP address entered using the name is YouTube. Why? Because of we entered into the YouTube, automatically it triggers into that IP address. IP address went into the AWS servers and automatically open that web page or web server, anything else. What is the difference between regions and availability? Regions means Asia, US, be like, and the other some of the Asian countries. Some countries take a one region, and in that countries multiple zones. In coming to India, Hyderabad, Delhi, Hyderabad, as we have a Amazon uh, 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 cloud centers are available right now. This is the picture of the region.
So I think you need to correct your data, right?
Yeah.
Can you go to open one tab and search AWS data centers in India? AWS regions in India, not data center regions. So region will be Asia, but it will be availability zone.
Hyderabad.
So it is a new AWS Asia specific Hyderabad is open. Okay. What are the others?
Mumbai and Hyderabad.
Why Hyderabad?
Uh, first one located in Bombay, AP South one.
According to have it. Go up little bit. Below, little below. Yes. And see, it is planning for local zones in Chennai, Kolkata, and Bangalore. These are the 3 upcoming now.
Okay.
All right. Continue.
Coming to the inside the AWS, I went into log in the AWS. I took some screenshots. What they are giving services to the users and customers.
So don't move that faster, right? You
Yeah.
need to talk on that topic, right?
Okay,
So,
okay.
AWS console. What you do with AWS console? Give some little background on it.
Yeah, it is a dashboard of the AWS. In the AWS, it elaborate the about those services. Coming to we will search on the services, all services. It will show compute, machine learning, container storage, and also databases, analytics, margin and transfer, and also developer tools, networking and content delivery, security and security identity and compliance, and under the blockchain, satellite management, governance, cloud financial management, front end, web and mobile application integration, management and governance, business application, end user computing, Internet of Things, media services, game development. These are the services available in the AWS account. This will be used by customer and users. Everyone will be used. I took a services. Its name as containers. Inside the containers had Elastic Container Registry and Elastic Container Service and Elastic Kubernetes Service and Red Hat OpenShift Service on AWS. Coming to what is container? Container is support containers is in various service to support any containerization. It can be classified into 2 types: Elastic Container Service and Elastic Kubernetes Services. Coming to the Amazon Elastic
What is virtualization?
Virtualization. Virtualization means remote. It works by the remote location.
Yeah, I mean, before you go for containerization, you should understand what is virtualization also. Okay, so keep a
Okay.
note of that. You can
Okay.
prepare.
I will search on after the end of after end class.
See, the difference between virtualization and containerization is a popular interview question.
Oh, sure. Coming to the Amazon Elastic Container Service, it is fully managed orchestration service. We are using orchestration in Kubernetes also. That is used to run, stop, and manage Docker containers on a cluster. Elastic Container Service supports both EC2 launch type and also run a cluster Amazon EC2 instances. Coming to Amazon Elastic Kubernetes, EKS is managed Kubernetes service that makes easily deploy and manage the application very fastly in Kubernetes using Kubernetes. Kubernetes is a open source container orchestration platform. Automates the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Coming to container, Elastic Container Registry. Elastic Container Registry is a fully managed container registry service provided by the AWS. It allows to user to store, manage, and deploy Docker container images. Elastic Container Registry is tightly integrated with other AWS services, particularly Amazon Elastic Container and Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, making it easier to build, manage, and deploy the container application on AWS code. The scenario of this thing is to run the application and deploy the application very fastly and efficiently using the Kubernetes, using by Kubernetes. The features of Amazon Elastic Container Registry, private container registry. Coming to the private registry, it provides a Docker container registries allowing you to securely store and manage your container images. within your account container within your AWS account container images stored in ECR or Elastic Container Registry are private by default, and you can control access by using IAM means identity and access management. This will use it to give the access to the user to see the application. It integrates with the ECA, Elastic Container Service and Elastic Kubernetes Services. Coming to the Elastic Container Service, it is fully managed container orchestration service provided by the AWS. ECS enables you to run, stop, and manage Docker containers on cluster. It abstracts the underlying infrastructure, making it easier to deploy and manage containerized application at a scale. Coming to the key features of ECS, load balancer and auto scaling. Mainly load balancer will be used when it distributes to the workload to the other slave missions. When auto scaling is used for if any getting any traffic from other networks, auto scaling will be used automatically create the initials. It is getting any traffic from users. In festival season, everyone will be buy from websites. At that moment, that app we have a much traffic. At that moment, automatically creates the instance. When customer no need to wait a more fraction of, no need to wait a more seconds. It will be done by the fraction of seconds. Customer no need to take a no need to worry about that app, that server. That will be used by the auto scaling. Is Elastic Container Services and also AWS Management Console. Coming to the Elastic Kubernetes Services, Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Services, fully managed Kubernetes services provided by the AWS. Kubernetes is an open source container orchestration platform that automates the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. With EKS and AWS, customers can easily run Kubernetes cluster without to need install, operate, and maintain the control panel. Here some key features concepts about Amazon EKS. Managed Kubernetes control panel. EKS takes care of heavy lighting involved in the running the Kubernetes control plane, including the API server and EC2. Coming to the AWS Kubernetes orchestration classified into two types, and it is not mentioned in that. I will tell you. Master nodes, master components, and slave components. Inside the master components have six steps. First one is container runtime, second one is API server, third one is scheduler, fourth one is control manager, fifth one is EC2, and another one is I missed it. Coming to the component node components, EC2, kube proxy, and kubelet. I missed it in that master components. Kube proxy I didn't tell there. Coming to the identity access management integration, EKS integration with IAM to control access the Kubernetes API and resources within the cluster. IAM role can be associated with Kubernetes service accounts to grant permissions to AWS resources. When we went into the AWS account and went into the management, we will see the IAM role. Inside the IAM role, we have to give the administration access and other access to the particular application. Will be used into the IAM role. Integration with AWS services. His integration with the load balancing and Black Store, virtual private network cloud, and also IAM and more. Integration servers, deployment and operation containerized application. Coming to the Red Hat OpenShift services on AWS. Red Hat OpenShift platform, formerly known as the OpenShift Enterprise, is a Red Hat's open on-premises private platform as a service product built around application containers provided by the CIRO -O, with orchestration and management provided by the Kubernetes on a Red Hat Enterprise Linux. And the Red Hat Enterprise Linux is a core OS. Red Hat Linux is one of the flavor in Linux flavor. That is enough from my side today.
Yeah, hold on. Okay. So, can you tell me how did you prepare this?
Yeah, I was prepared through some website and also used ChatGPT.
Okay, so you opened the website, you copied the text, and you put it in the PPT,
Yes.
right?
And I read. I opened multiple links, but yeah, అంటే some links have a much content.
Mm-hmm.
I sort out those things, and everyone will easily understand those things. I will copy and paste into the Wattpad.
Okay, so you collected the information first, okay, what?
Yeah, I collected information from Google and ChatGPT.
Okay, after that,
After that,
so you
after
copied
that
it into Wattpad. After that, you put it into PPT.
yes.
After that, is that all you have done, or anything else you did?
I didn't do anything. This is done.
Okay, so let me tell you, this is for everybody. Okay, some people are already doing good, and people who do not know or not up to the mark. Okay, for them, this in advice. So it is right. On the topic, you search the details in Google. It could be article, it could be tutorial, it could be their official documentations, and also YouTube videos. Watch YouTube videos. Okay. Once you
Okay.
do all these things, okay, and you are right on that point that whatever uh, points people will understand, you pick that and put it. That is okay. But it is not that people will understand only, but all the main points, important points, irrespective of whether people understand or not, we have to understand it. There are 10 points on a particular topic which is very vital. Okay, 5 are very complex, 5 are very simple. You took those 5 points and you have put it, and so what will happen to those 5 remaining 5 points? Don't we need to know those? Need, right? So we have, that is the point I will be helping you out. So if you are not able to understand the remaining 5 points, ask me, ask the team that there are these 5 things are there, how to do it, what it means. I am not able to understand this particular sentence, a particular steps or theories. Are you getting the point, Anki?
Yeah.
Because purpose of this training session is to learn A to Z.
Okay.
Okay, that is one point thing. The second thing is, once you have collected all the important points and put it into the then
Okay.
read it, memorize it, and try to prepare yourself. Give me one.
Okay.
Hello.
Is it visible?
Open an example. So actually, what you should do is you should pick up a tutorial and follow. Go to open that Java point or tutorial point. Pick any one tutorial and start following that. Okay, instead of searching from multiple tutorials. Follow one and then remaining you can check. If something is not clear in that particular, then use the other ones. See, it is given example with interfaces, right?
Yes.
So it will implement multiple interfaces. So when you say multiple means one class will implementing multiple other classes. For multiple inheritance.
Just is this multiple inheritance?
Hence, parent 1 and parent 2. But is it now? It is not Java, right? C example.
Yes.
C++ example. Okay. So
Yes.
there is a difference between C++ and Java. This is one of the important difference. In C++, you can extend multiple classes, but in Java, you cannot extend multiple classes. In Java, you can extend only one class at a time. If you want to, inherit from multiple classes, you have to define the parents as interface, and then you have to implement multiple.
This one.
See here, if it say extend, it is not a Java example. It's not Java example, it is C++. No, you open the tutorial now, Java point or yeah, open this. Multiple inheritance in Java. Now come down. Java interfaces. Multiple inheritance whenever it's done in Java, it will happen through interface.
Yes. Okay.
So this is one of the very popular interview questions for the freshers. Okay.
Okay.
That's fine. Multiple inheritance, you pick the example and you come with the next session.
Okay.
Got the differences, right? Now?
Yes.
And why I asked you to open this? Because that is also a technique, right? Whatever you learn through this online content only. So whenever you have doubt, open it and read it thoroughly. Go ahead.
Okay. Now this is hierarchical inheritance. Is it visible? Okay. So hierarchical inheritance means one class inherits many subclasses. So created the parent class animal, created the method make sound, and printed as animal makes a sound. Then created the child class which extends the parent class, and method as makes same method and printed as dog barks. Created the second child which extends the parent class, same method and printed cat mouse, and then calling the mean method, and we have created parent class instance, that is animal object equal to the child class, first child class, and the second one is we have created another object that is animal 2, and then we have called the second child class, and now we are calling the main method of both the methods, like first object dot make sound and the second object dot the second child's method.
To the top of this. What is the type you are seeing of this inheritance?
Hierarchical.
What is the hierarchy here?
Separately, they have created for both the child the separate object. Even though the methods are same for all three, this all parent, first child and second class, second child, but they have created different instance for both the child from the parent class.
Yeah, so it is like it is branching,
Yes.
right? So you have a animal, and animal has two branch. One is dog, one is cat.
Yes.
So like you prepare hierarchical diagram, like in the tree format kind of.
Yes.
Okay,
So,
go ahead.
so dog barks at cat. So this multiple I have to see. It's not working.
No, it will not work because you have taken the C++ example here.
Yes.
Cannot extend multiple classes in Java. This is a C++ example.
Okay. So now this only this much I have done in the ops.
Yeah, good preparation. Okay,
Okay.
and yeah, so whatever you have done, revise it once again, and try to do a clean presentation once again.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so that you will learn it very well. Whatever gaps. Next time onwards, anybody ask you any question, oops, you should be able to clearly explain everything. So tomorrow,
Okay.
I will assign the same task to you again. Come up with all the concepts once again, and if possible, you can record it and send it to me.
Okay, fine.
Instead of I'm having discussion again here, you can clearly explain in detail everything, and then send it to me. Send that.
Sure. Okay.
Any question from anybody? Anything from you?
No, no, sir.
Okay, great. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I will quickly call the names. Okay, you just need to update the status, but you don't need to present. I will, for presenting again, I will have another session when you can present. But we'll discuss if you need any help and on your next step. Okay, Afrin, is your mic fine now? Able to hear. So can you do one thing, Afrin? After this meeting, can you coordinate with Madhumita and make sure your mic is fine and you are able to do the conversation as well as you are able to share your screen. Madhumita, you are in the call.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please help her after this.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Anki is done. Kahinde,
Sir?
so do you want to give no presentation, but quickly you update what you have done and what is your next step?
Okay, sir.
So I said you don't need to present. You just give me a overview.
Okay.
But yeah, here also you can just overview. That's fine. Show it in 2 minutes. You just show walk
Okay,
through
okay.
the slides what you have done.
Alright. So let me quickly start from VPC.
You tell
Then
me what you have done. You don't have to explain me. So you have prepared
okay,
on VPC, is it?
yes, sir. Okay, let me just display this. I deployed an end-to-end web app. So I created a database that is RDS, relational database.
Okay.
I also created a storage S3 and a bucket.
Okay.
So I created an instance with a default VPC and Ubuntu server where I deployed the web app.
Mm-hmm.
Then I assigned admin roles using IAM roles to the instance.
Okay.
So before I could deploy it, I also checked it on my local host and make sure it is working. The website is working fine. Then I deployed it. So after deploying it, I was able to check to the database and through my SQL. Then I could see the uploads, everything in the storage also at S3. So the problems I encountered there was after creating instance, I wasn't able to connect through PuTTY. So I had to go and open the port 3306 SSH. I could be able to access it. And as time goes on, I was still unable to after deploying the app, I was still unable to connect. So I had to open port 80, the HTTP also in the inbound and outbound routes. Yeah, and I was successful deploying it.
Okay.
So that is it. And
Yeah,
let
that's good.
me
Good progress. Good progress. So
okay.
what is the next step?
I don't know yet. Maybe should I try another one or you give me something else to do?
Yeah, so I will definitely. The exercise which you have done, you will present it to me, to the team. Okay, I will give you a slot when you do that. But
Okay, sir.
what is the next service you had in your list?
I've I'll have to pick more services because I actually just I've
Show
done
me the
like
list.
10.
So you have 5 or 6 a list of services, right? Show me that list.
Okay, let me show. So I've done AWS, App Runner, Application Composer, Auto Scaling, Code Commit, CloudFormation, Cleaner Removes VPC, Microservice, Amazon
What
S3.
you do is, hold on. What you do is, you just write down those service names in one slide.
Okay,
Only the service
okay,
names. Okay, there's S3, AWS, container, something like that. Okay, and then
all right, sir.
you follow the step by step one service at a time you pick and learn end to end of that service.
Okay, sir.
For example, you take S3, know everything in detail about S3, and you
All right,
just present it to me. I will ask you questions in detail on that.
okay, sir.
Okay, so which service you want to pick? Tell me.
Let me check. Mm, what is this?
Are you clear on the concept of VPC and subnet with IP ranges, IM and all?
Yes, I've done that.
So why don't you give a clear presentation on VPC and subnet, which is
Okay,
basically the networking part?
okay, sir.
Because before you start any project in AWS, right? After
Yeah.
account creation happens, So account is the first step where accounts need to be created, and there are good concepts around account also which need to be you need to know. But after that it comes about the network,
Yes, sir.
right? So first you have to create a network, then only other resources you can create. So take up
Yes, sir.
on VPC and subnet,
Okay,
and
sir.
draw some diagram in draw.io. Do you know what is
Okay, sir.
draw.io? Draw.io.
.io?
Have you used any design tool?
No, sir. No, sir.
So design tool is mandatory for any DevOps engineer or any architects.
Okay,
Go,
sir.
go to Google, search draw.io.
Okay.
You can use any other tool also. This is one of the free good tool, so I am recommending draw.io. Install it. Everybody, please install draw.io if you don't have yet. It is required for everybody. Okay, and
Okay, sir.
whenever you are designing something, you can use this tool.
All right, sir.
And this is very important, and wherever you go for interview, it should reflect in your answers in the call that you are efficient to draw the things, draw the designs.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and you should call out couple of tools name, like draw.io is one of them. There are many other such tools.
Okay, sir.
You have to become hands-on with this tool.
All right, sir.
So you are clear on your task now?
Yes, sir.
But good progress, whatever you have done yesterday, good progress. Okay, I will move with Madhumita.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Only just summarize summary of your task, what you have done.
Sir, I am currently working on this GTS user registration component. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can summarize what you have done. Like you have done some technical recommendation and you have found some issues.
Yes.
Just tell me the summary for the team's benefit.
Okay, sir. Yes. So, sir, the drawback of this application is it's not mobile responsive, as well as it use class component. So in class component, using this dot state here generally used for state management. Also, lots of code.
Okay,
Yes.
so the status which I'm asking
Okay.
right now for everybody is like what activity you have done.
Okay. Okay. I convert all the class function component to functional component first. So I am currently working on this.
Yeah, so that is the activity. You have
Yes.
converted the components into
Class component to class component. From class component to functional component.
components.
Yes.
Okay, so and what is next? What you are
Sir,
doing today?
yes, sir. I want to fix some issue related to use state and use effect. So I am currently working on this. That is on our registration component.jsx file.
And when that may be completed?
Um, I will let you know when I complete this task.
I mean, what is the expected estimate? Today, tomorrow?
Yes, at 2 p.m. By today, 6 p.m.
By end of today.
Yes.
So you can plan for a demo tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
All right.
Thank you.
Mastung?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So can you summarize what you have done?
I complete AWS Amplify and
So yesterday's
AWS.
exercise you were able to complete later on after our meeting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what was the
And
issue there?
demonstration also it's done, sir.
Sorry?
Demonstration also done, sir.
Yeah. You had demoed, but yesterday we had a problem, and due to time I had to go for other meeting.
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes,
I
sir. Yes,
asked
sir.
you guys to practice it, complete it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you completed and it worked finally, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after that, what did you do?
After that, I studied Amazon Light Sale and Elastic Beanstalk. I will study it, sir.
Elastic Beanstalk. Okay.
Yes, sir. Tomorrow I will
You
do.
are doing the hands-on on those?
Yes, sir. Tomorrow I will show demonstration.
Tomorrow you'll present. Okay. Okay, sure. So, guys, you can do one thing. Whenever you are ready for presentation on your topic, okay, in WhatsApp in a group, just put a message that I am ready to present this particular topic,
Okay, sure, sir.
so that we can plan accordingly. So what will happen is, since we have different groups, right? Sometimes DevOps all meetings, other people may not be interested to join. So in that case, look, and I will say that okay, all DevOps guys, gather at this time. We will discuss on this particular topic. Same thing we will do for the other team, so that few things which are common do attend, and if you have extra time, do attend and learn about other things which is mandatory or very important. Sometimes you can skip also, based on if you are busy on your own task, then you can skip the other topics. For
Okay.
example, when we are going through OOPS concept in detail, okay, though it is required for everybody, even DevOps also need to know. But if you are very busy on your task, maybe you can skip it and watch the video later on, for just to understand the high level. Okay. Yeah, fine. Anything else? So you are clear on your next step, right, Mastu?
Yes, sir.
All right. Pavitra,
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
good morning.
Sir, yesterday I have an issue for creating a AWS account, sir, for not having a credit card, sir.
Okay, but credit
I
card is
can't, sir.
mandatory, na?
Sorry, debit card, sir.
With debit card, you cannot, I think.
Uh,
Only
no,
with
sir.
credit card, you can do.
Credit card only acceptance, sir.
Yeah.
Today I solved the issue and I can create a PPT. Can I show tomorrow, sir, for demo?
Yeah, once you are ready, drop the message in the group.
Okay, sir.
Then I will plan it accordingly.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
But what did you do? I mean, you were not able to create the account, that is fine. But what did you do throughout the day?
Yesterday I have created notes for creating PPT, sir, in CloudWatch topic. And I see hands-on videos and preparing, sir.
On CloudWatch.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you, by now, you know what is CloudWatch, what is the things, what are the capabilities of CloudWatch, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. And how many slides you have prepared on CloudWatch?
No, sir. Today only I have to take and prepare, sir. Yesterday I see full hands-on videos and taking notes, sir. Today only I have to prepare
You are going
PPT,
to
sir.
prepare it. Okay. Sounds good.
Okay, sir.
Any doubts so far?
No, sir.
So are you liking this, the way we are trying to learn the things?
Ah, okay only, sir. No problem.
Yeah, I mean, if anybody has any suggestions, right, do come that, okay, if we can do in this way or that way, that would be better and we can learn faster. Please tell.
Okay, sir.
All right. Uday,
Yeah, yes, sir.
what was your update?
Let me share the screen. Yes, sir. So I took 4 services from AWS, sir, regarding these developer tools. That is code commit, code build, code deploy, and code pipeline. So these are the 4 services I worked on. Along with that, I prepared, I went through Linux, sir. As I said earlier, I have already started working on Linux. I mean, the basic commands that are required,
Yeah.
the components of that. I mean, the entire Linux architecture. What are the components and all those things? Next,
Yeah, I think your exercise was to prepare a presentation on all different types of commands of Linux, right?
yes, sir, I have done that, sir. So next, this is the file system hierarchy. This is very important regarding this boot etc. All those files I have prepared it. Root bin, sbin, all these things, and dev files, device files. So these are the detailed information regarding all those file system. So next, coming back to basic commands in Linux, which are very essential to work. Which are very essential to work in DevOps. These are those commands which I mostly used, like pwd, ct dot dot, mkdir, touch, how to create directories, how to create empty files using touch
Yeah, that's fine.
commands.
I got it. Okay. So
ls
basically, I think there are some more information can be added. Okay, for and types and things. Just
yes,
do little more research and then try to present it. So your topic will be Linux basics and its commands.
yes, sir. Still, there are so many commands are there. Like sudo command is there, echo is also there.
So those
So
are very important. Those.
yes, sir, yes, sir.
So
Sudo is must, yes, sir. Without sudo, it won't be able to run.
so
Yes,
try to include those also, right? And
yes, sir.
you don't have to and practice them, because during the presentation you can just tell and couple of you can show. You don't need to show everything, but you have to
Yes, sir.
prepare. So you take another day today, prepare well and add those slide, and then you present on Linux basic.
Okay, sir.
Then since you have taken the pipeline side, CI/CD side, I will ask
Yes,
you
sir.
to prepare the next session presentation on branching in GitHub.
GitHub. Okay, sir. Branching strategies, right, sir?
Right,
Yes.
branching strategy. So
Okay.
GitHub and branching strategy. That will be
Okay.
next topic, because for your entire CI/CD pipeline, there are several things which you have to know on GitHub. GitHub command prompt as well as GitHub web.
Yes, sir.
Especially settings, configurations, how you can do pipelines in GitHub, how you can integrate, how you create secrets, all different this kind of thing.
Okay.
Anything else you want to share?
No, sir. That's it, sir.
Question, doubt?
No, sir. That's it.
Vinay?
Sir, good morning. Sir, you assigned me a task of explaining the advantage of and disadvantage of React, sir.
Right.
and I have done it, sir. I have done the coding for the reusable components, which means like we can reuse the code. The example navbar, footer, header.
Hmm.
That's sir. And I have all come out through all the advantages and disadvantages. And presently, I'm working about through the navbar, sir.
Okay. Okay. So when you are ready to present,
Sir,
or maybe
I was present. I think the next session, sir. I am presently about the work. Half of the navbar has been finished, and half of the is pending. I will finish it. Sir.
okay. Okay. Any doubt? Any question for me?
Sir, in navbar, we can. Sir, navbar can be created by CSS and what is that? Bootstrap also, no, sir.
Yes.
May I know which is the best one, sir? Because the bootstrap is readily available.
Yeah. Bootstrap is better way. See,
Okay,
Bootstrap
sir.
is also they will be using CSS only, but point
Yes,
is
sir.
they are organized and they have many ready-made components which you can use,
Yes, sir.
ready-made classes. So
Ah,
Bootstrap
sir.
is popular, and
Yes,
it's
sir.
good.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
All right. Did I miss anyone? Anybody has any question in general? Okay. So guys, I think had been a good start for all of you. A couple of guys are doing extremely well. People are have started to do that is also fine. And few people see. I want to repeat the thing. See, your commitment is morning 9 o'clock to 6 p.m. minimum. Okay. If you are not able to be available at 9 o'clock, or you are late, or not till evening, you are spending your time, then you have to spend those hours either early morning or later, because you have to show up your learnings of 8 hours. See, right now you are not doing any client work. Okay, you are not doing any our product work. Okay, so it is a learning and evaluation which is going on, and on daily basis whatever you are doing, that is being noted by our auditing team. Okay, because these recordings also they will see on your presentation and whatever you are doing, your level of knowledge and skills. Okay, that is what is going to shortlist who is going to be the first or the first batch of people for getting job. Are you getting my points? See, remote, in the remote, few qualities you have to build. One is your punctuality, and the other one is your time management. If you are not able to plan your time properly and you are not able to set up your mind properly, you will fail to do any remote work. And in IT, remote work is being promoted a lot. And if you see in the last few months, companies have started to ask people to come to office again. And the reason is many people are not able to do this time management and punctuality. So many companies are in very big loss because they are not getting the productivity. You are at home, you are watching movie, or you are talking to your family members, or you are eating, or you are taking bath, or you are what you are doing, nobody knows. So how do we track that you are doing your work is your productivity. At the end of the day, what you have presented, what amount of code you have written, how many slides you have prepared, how you are presenting, how you are answering the question, that is what will be used to evaluate your skills. Nobody is going to see what you are doing at home. Is it clear for everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I see yes in the chat box? I want to you to be active. Can I see yes or no, whatever it is, or if you have any doubt on the chat box? Yeah. So guys, if believe me, build these skills, job will be in your hand. And if you did not get job yet, Reason is that if you are up to that level, you would have got job already. Am I right? Can I see another
Yes,
yes or
sir.
no? Sounds good. So guys, you take my words and learn well, and definitely you will see the good time in upcoming months or weeks. All right. So with that, I will hold. If you have any further question, please ask me. Yukti, you are back. Do you want to update, Yukti?
Yes, sir.
Just summarize what you have done. You don't have to.
Yes, sir. Sir, those application you are giving me,
Yes. So are
we
you
are
able
running
to
it.
check out and you are able? You said you are getting many errors. Are you able to solve them?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Solve it.
Okay. So are you able to solve yourself, or are you able to interact with the team, UI team, and get it solved?
Yes, sir. I am. Yes, sir. I am interact with Madhumita.
Okay, great. So you can just summary that I have taken up this component. I'm able to run it. I'm able to fix a few issues, and there are few more
Yes, sir.
like that. Just give me the summary.
Okay, sir. So first of all, whenever I am running this app, so there are many errors. 146 errors are come. So there are outdated MUI is present here. So I'm imported and install it, and there are text field MUI is outdated, and local storage also install inside it, and we are inside our index.js, not it's app.js. Yes, there are path, we are fixed,
No, I did
like
not get
either.
the point. So this is very important. So status
Yes, sir.
update is very important point of any software engineers. So you will have a daily meeting. Okay, how I am having, but
Okay,
I'm
sir.
going little deeper. But
Hmm.
meeting, there will be stand-up meeting every day for 10-15 minutes, and you will have a chance to present in 1 minute. Okay, so
Okay,
in
sir.
1 minute, what you have to do is you have to come prepared and tell the points which we have done in the last till your last meeting to now.
Okay,
Summary
sir.
4-5 points you have done, and also another few points going to do till in the next 24 hours.
Okay, sir.
So like that you have to update.
Okay, sir. So can I run this?
No, no, no. So you just tell me the summary what you have done.
Okay, sir. So, sir, I have seen there are many errors. So, I am Google it and update all the outdated MUI and Bootstrap that are present here and install it. And we are fix the path also. And after when we are running, so there are many errors come. So we are install the local storage also, and there are many things are written that are not worked. So I'm commented, and after and there are one router, there are switch used that are not used, so we are using router, and
Well, again,
sir.
let me correct you. Okay? See,
Yes, sir.
status update is something you need to summarize the points well and just tell in 1 minute so that everybody understand, the team understands what you have done. I will help you out. Okay. So in
Okay,
this,
sir.
I can tell what Yukti has done is checked out a new component from GitHub, which I had given,
Okay, sir. Hmm.
are able to run that program. And initially you saw there were many issues and you have solved many of them, those issues already. And a few issues
Hmm.
are pending, which you are going to fix. So that should be
Yes,
the
sir.
very simple update.
Okay, sir.
It says what you have done and what you are going to do. You are going to do fix the remaining issues.
Okay, sir.
Once you update this, that time if any team member of your lead has any question that okay, can you show me which errors are pending now? That time you open up and show.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and this is required because you have to be precise what somebody is asking. Okay, so whatever I
Okay,
am
sir.
asking or your team member are asking, be very precise what is his ask. Try to feed the information only up to that level
Okay, sir.
and give a feel that you know other things. If they want to know, you will tell, but don't tell extra than what somebody has asked.
Okay, sir.
So yeah, I got it. What you are doing and what you are going to do. Do you have any question for me?
So, sir, what do have next task?
Yeah, once you successfully install this, then whatever challenges you saw, whatever
Hmm.
issues you saw, what can be improved, just put some bullet points.
Okay, sir.
And you can take help from Madhumita again. She has done a good job by preparing this case. Case
Okay, sir.
prepare similar way. And once you present it, the next step will be I'll be providing you the microservice jar file, and
Hmm.
you will run it the jar file, and you will first test the APIs using Postman, explore the APIs, and after you explore, then you will be integrating it with your UI.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So, can I stop sharing?
Yeah, you can stop. All right. Anybody else? Any more question? Yes, Afrin. No, your mic is not up. You want to type it if you have a short question, or let's get in touch in phone for now. After this meeting, I will tell you what will be the next step. What you have to do today. Okay. All right. So yeah, keep doing well, and we'll talk again. Have a good day, guys.